Question 13. A crane takes the 2 minutes to lift a 500 kilogram load to the top of a building which is 12-meter height. What is the useful power developed against gravity by the crane? To calculate the useful power using the formula which is power equals work divided by the time taken. Then, according to the work energy theorem, the work done equals to the change in the gravitational potential energy. Then we have to rearrange the equation, so the power equals mgh for the gravitational potential energy divided by the t, time taken, and power equals the mass, which is 500, times the gravity is 10, and times the height, which is 12, divided by the time taken must be in seconds, so 2 times 60 to convert it from minute into seconds. Now it's not needed to use a calculator. You cancel out the 0 from 60 with the 0 from 10. Then you cancel 6 times 2 in the denominator with the 12 in the numerator. It'll give us finally 500 watt. So the correct answer is C.